Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 277. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to fix Roblox Error Code 277, you have to follow these steps. First, let's start with the first method. Open up your computer search bar and type in CMD to find command prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. After command prompt opens, you need to type in two commands. The first command is net sh winsock reset, then press Enter on your keyboard. Once that command finishes, type the second command, which is ipconfig/flushdns, and again press Enter. After both commands are completed successfully, you can go ahead and close the command prompt window. Now, let's move on to the second method. Open up your computer search again and look for Roblox Player. When you find it, right-click on it and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click on Roblox Player once more, click Show More Options, then select Properties. From there, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, you need to check three options. First, check Run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8. Second, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and third, check Run this program as administrator. After selecting all three options, click Apply and then OK. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox Error Code 267. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.